Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's prepare today kids' favorite muffins or cupcakes, and that too in a healthy way without eggs, maida and without oven. Let's see how to make these soft, fluffy muffins. In a bowl, add 1 cup of rava. We will soak this rava with half cup of warm milk for 20 minutes. If it is more than 20 minutes also no problem. As you can see here, after 20 minutes, the milk has absorbed the rava. Next, take a blender and add this mixture to this blender. And add half cup of milk, 3/4 cup of mishri powder or rock sugar powder. You can also use sugar powder. 1/4 cup of milk powder, 1/4 cup of custard powder. And this is optional, but if you add this custard powder, the cake will be very tasty. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/4 cup of melted butter or ghee, and we will blend this into a smooth batter. And the cake batter is ready. Now we will transfer this batter to the bowl. And also another side, I have kept the kadai for preheating on low flame for 10 minutes. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and squeeze half lemon to it. Mix gently. Next, here I have muffins cups. Grease with oil or butter and pour the cake batter to it. Don't fill it fully. Next, we will add these cupcakes to the preheated kadai and bake them for 30 to 35 minutes on low flame. And that's it, healthy muffins are ready. Instead of giving market cake for your kids, make this cake at home and give your kids, they love it. Do try at home and stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching my video.